Good welcome to Kingspa Academy, where we build tech savvy folks. So today I'm making a video on how to become a software developer. So the past video I made was actually on how to become a graphic designer. So you can go to my channel and check under the playlist for online courses, and you will get to see videos for online courses. So this is another part I'm actually building, and this for software developer. You get a Microsoft certified certification to validate your skills. So this is all about software development. So your skills you acquire after finishing this online learning class is actually programming, storage, networking, security and deployment, HTML, CSS, SQL, JavaScript and Python. So but you also have a learning path. So under your learning path, that means the courses you pass through for you to be able to be verified is one. You have to learn programming fundamentals, then after programming fundamentals, then programming fundamentals, databases, succeeding in web development, full stack and front end, HTML essential training, CSS, JavaScript, Python, SQL, and more others. But first you have to click on this start learning path. So when you click on this start learning path, it will take you to another web page. And also, please, I'll also add a link to this web page in the description below, and so you just click beside below the description, you see a link to access this. So this will actually be ending of 2021. So please grab the opportunity and start learning. So this is actually my account which is signed in to it. So if you watch, I've done some of them and I'm actually trying to continue. So what it does is just the normal procedure. You just watch after running the course, you click on to give a learning certificate of completion, which you can be able to verify that you have done through these courses. So let me just show you how one of it looks like. So when you click on any of the courses, you can actually start when you click on the courses. When you click on it, loads like this and come up. So here is where you get your contents.
More than ever.
Here is where you get your contents. So where you find your contents actually on this page. So these are your contents that you actually have. So you can select introduction, select whichever one you want to go to. These are different types. So that's how the content looks like, and you can also join learning groups, show exercise files.
One way to execute all,
and also certificates. Like here, this one is one I'm through with, so you can see that my certificate is here. So I can also download my certificate. I'll also share it to any social media platform. So if you are done with actually a course, you just simply click on download PDF and it goes into your PC. So when you are done downloading it, watch it, now click on open file and voila. So this actually file, and this actually certificate for this class only. So you can do that for individual classes. So these are the video keys, you can play it,
run your Python code,
and also make it full screen mode,
or outside of the Python prompt. Do you remember our 0103 file?
So
Let me show you how we can run it from the command line.
This is how all the platform for accessing this skill. So please
You hear
grab this opportunity and get this skill. You got nothing to lose, only your data. Seriously, you have nothing to lose. You got a lot to give. just make good use of this opportunity. Learn a skill which is required in the one job. I'll also make other videos. So these are the courses that you have. You're gonna learn which they're gonna teach you, not this skill. So make good use of this opportunity. Grab the opportunity now. Why valid while stock lasts. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and also drop a comment below what you want to hear so I can give better content. Thanks.